Hello student. In previous lecture we had seen all gas laws, that is Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro law and Gay-Lussac's law. Now in today's lecture I am going to teach you ideal gas, what is the meaning of ideal gas and its equation, that is ideal gas equation, and value of R, which are value of R in liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole and in calories. So first, what is the meaning of ideal gas? Ideal gas is a gas that follows strictly all gas laws, that is Boyle's law, then Charles and Avogadro law. Is a gas that follows strictly all the gas laws, that is Boyle's, Charles and Avogadro law, is called as ideal gas. Okay, which gases follows the all laws of gases, that is Boyle's, Charles and Avogadro laws, are called as ideal gases. And what is ideal gas equation? By combining three gas laws, that is Boyle's, Charles and Avogadro law, we get a new equation, and that equation is called as ideal gas equation. Then we will see the derivation of ideal gas equation. Derivation. Mathematical equation obtained by combining gas laws, that is Boyle's, Charles and Avogadro, is called as ideal gas equation. Okay. Then according to Boyle's law, as you know, according to Boyle's law, at constant temperature, volume of given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. V is inversely proportional to its pressure. This is equation 1 at constant temperature. Then according to Charles' law, at constant pressure, Charles' law at constant pressure and Boyle's law at constant temperature. At constant temperature, V is volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. This is equation 2 at constant pressure. Then according to Avogadro law, at constant T and P are constant, then volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to number of molecules, and this is the equation number 3. Okay, these by combining three laws, that is Boyle's law, Charles law and Avogadro law, we get a new equation, and that equation is known as ideal gas equation. So combine equation number 1, 2 and 3, we get V is directly proportional to, there are two direct proportion and one is inverse proportion. Okay, so N into T upon P. V is directly proportional to number of moles, V is directly proportional to temperature, and V is inversely proportional to pressure. V is equals to V is directly proportional to Nt upon P. Then to remove this proportionality sign, we are using gas constant, and that is, now first rearrange this equation, that is PV is directly proportional to Nt. This P is here, PV is directly proportional to Nt, and then PV is equals to nRT, and where R is gas constant, and this equation is called as ideal gas equation. This is known as ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. Okay, and R is gas constant. I will teach you how to calculate the gas constant values, that is R values, in different units. Okay, I will revise this again. Mathematical equation which is obtained by combining three gas laws, that is Boyle's, Charles and Avogadro, is known as ideal gas equation. According to Boyle's law, V is inversely proportional to P at constant temperature. According to Charles' law, V is directly proportional to T at constant pressure, and V is directly proportional to N at constant T and P. Then combining these three equations 1, 2, 3, we get V is directly proportional to Nt and inversely proportional to P. Then rearrange this equation, PV is directly proportional to Nt. Then PV is equals to nRT, where R is gas constant, and this equation is known as ideal gas equation. Okay, then next topic is value of R in different units. Value of R. As we know the equation, ideal gas equation is PV is equals to nRT. PV is equals to nRT. Then R is equals to, what will? R is equals to PV upon NT. PV upon NT. Then we are putting the values of pressure, volume, normal pressure, normal volume, temperature. Okay, pressure is 10 raised to 5 Pascal. The Pascal is the unit of pressure, into volume is 22.71 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube, upon N is 1 mole, into temperature is, absolute temperature is 273.15 Kelvin. 10 raised to 5 Pascal pressure, 22.71 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Then N is 1 mole and T is 273.15, and we get a value that is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Joule per Kelvin per mole. Then value of R in liter atmosphere. in liter atmosphere. R is equals to 1 atmosphere into 22.414 liter upon 1 mole into 273.15 Kelvin, and so its value, calculated value is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. And another value of R in calories, 1 calorie is equals to 4.184 joule. Then we can divide this R value in joule per Kelvin per mole, then we get in calories. So R is equals to 8.314 upon 4.184 is equals to 1.987, and approximately it is taken as 2 calories per Kelvin per mole. Calories per Kelvin per mole. So these are the three values of R. I will repeat it again. Values of R in different units. First is R equals to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Then second value of R is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. And third value is first value 314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Second value is R is equals to 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. And third value is R is equals to 1.987, and it is approximately equals to 2 calorie per Kelvin per mole. So these three values of R are very important for solving the problems. Then next topic is combined gas equation. Combined gas equation. As we know, ideal gas equation is PV is equals to nRT. PV is equals to nRT. Then rearranging the equation, we get PV upon T. This equation, rearranging this equation, PV upon T is equals to nR, and N means number of moles and R is gas constant. These two values are constant. So we can write P1 V1 upon T1 is equals to P2 V2 upon T2. P1 V1 upon T1 is equals to P2 V2 upon T2, and this is combined gas equation. This is combined gas equation, and you have to solve the problems on the basis of these formulae, that is P1 V1 upon T1 is equals to P2 V2 upon T2. Okay student, goodbye. In next video, I will teach you determination of molar mass by using this equation, ideal gas equation. Okay, goodbye.